From zero to CEO, my e-commerce journey as a Filipino entrepreneur. There was a time in my life when I had no idea what e-commerce was. I didn't have a big budget, I didn't have connections, and I definitely didn't feel like a CEO. If you're watching this right now and you feel stuck, unsure, or afraid to start, this video is for you. Today, I want to share my journey, from zero to becoming an e-commerce entrepreneur, as a Filipino. I didn't start with money, experience, or confidence. I started with a simple goal. I wanted a better future for my family. Like many Filipinos, I worked hard, followed the rules, and hoped that one day things would change. I watched others succeed online and thought, if they can do it, maybe I can too. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. The struggles no one talks about. My journey was not easy. Challenges you can mention: fear of failure, confusion with platforms and rules, limited capital, lack of support or understanding. There were moments when I wanted to quit, when nothing seemed to work and I questioned myself. Discovering e-commerce. E-commerce changed everything. I realized that I didn't need a physical store. I didn't need to be in one place. I just needed to learn the system. I started small, reselling, learning the platforms, making mistakes, and improving one step at a time. The turning point. The turning point came when I stopped chasing quick money and started treating e-commerce like a real business. Key lessons: learning before scaling, tracking profits, following rules, reinvesting earnings. That's when things slowly started to change. Becoming a CEO mindset. Being a CEO doesn't mean having a big office or employees. It means taking responsibility. It means making decisions, solving problems, and staying consistent, even when it's hard. The moment I took ownership of my business was the moment I started growing. Growth, failures, and lessons. I made mistakes. I lost money. I failed many times. But every mistake taught me something valuable. Lessons you can share. Patience beats shortcuts. Systems matter. Relationships matter. Integrity matters. Those lessons shaped who I am today. Why I help other Filipinos today. I share my journey because I know what it feels like to start with nothing. If I can help even one Filipino believe in themselves and take action, then my journey has meaning. We don't just build businesses, we build hope. If you are starting from zero, remember this: zero is not the end, it's the beginning. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be brave. If this video inspired you, please like and subscribe. Comment below where you're watching from and what your dream is. Thank you for being part of this journey. I'll see you in the next video.